Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to enter safe mode in Windows 11. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this start button right here, go into your account and click on sign out. Okay, and this account will appear. Okay, so you're just going to open it. Okay, hold shift, make sure you're holding shift, go into your power off button right here and click on restart. And you can see it says please wait, so make sure shift is hold when you're clicking on restart. I'm still holding my shift, not letting it go. So when I restart the computer, it's going to say please wait. Okay guys, and it will bring you to this screen. Okay, here you're going to click on troubleshoot, you're going to click on advanced options, and then you're going to click on startup settings, and you're going to click on restart. Okay, let it restart. Okay, so here you have three options for safe mode. Okay, you're going to go to enable safe mode. Number 4 is basically you're using in safe mode without any internet connection or without the access of the command prompt. Okay, so it will be just safe mode. So if you have your files already downloaded and you want to install them, or you have DDU, you want to uninstall the driver, you can go with that normal safe mode. But if you want to download files and you want to do it like basically installing driver from online, you can go with number 5. And if you want to use command prompt, you can go with number 6. So basically I'm going to go with number 5 since it's the safest option for me. So just click number 5 on my keyboard. It's going to load into safe mode, so just let it take its time slowly. And basically, yeah, you can see here it says safe mode and you have an internet connection. Okay, so refresh and click open this, and yeah, I have internet connection right here, so it works. And if you want to exit out of safe mode, just click on your start button, go into here, don't hold any buttons, just basically plain restart your computer. And that should bring you back into your normal mode. So that's all for this video guys. If you have any other problems or any other issues, please put down in the comments below, and I think that's about it. So thanks for watching folks.